What up, dudes? What's happening? Welcome. Gator's Dockside, Highland City, Florida. Today is Saturday the 18th, 2018, and we're here representing about 60 to 70 people strong. People from all around the world. We got from Jacksonville, from South Florida, from the UK, boys, girls, ranging in all different ages, whooping around this track. I'd like to thank the guys, our guys over the Flying Junkies. We like to thank Cigar City. We like to thank the 863 guys. And I'd like to thank Top Drones for helping make this a reality. But there's no better person I'd like to thank than the guys here at Gator's Dockside for letting us do this here. So thank you guys. Keep an eye out for whooping, because 2018, 2019 is about the whoop. It's not the size of your drone. It's how you fly it. So this isn't all live hand turns. This is actually some little couple lefts, a couple right hand turns. You go up and around the start gate, up and down the lighted hoop, around over the top side of the box, then back around the bottom side of the box through the LED gate, and over and across the back wall, all the way down the back wall, and back over it again. So it's not always about thinking you're the fastest or you're the best. It's about being the most precise. So kids from all ages, grown-ups, come here and enjoy the race, and everyone competes because no one knows the race.
Nice shirt, by the way.
Look, bro, there.
Wrong brand.
Look at that. Hey, nothing better than the Flying Tech and Flying Junkies making it happen.
Holding it down.
Hey, it's our first inaugural tiny whoop race, and it kicked ass, bro. You gotta come.
This is your captain speaking, but it, we're gonna take off anyway.
Sometimes you wanna go where everybody knows your name.
Alright, good job, Marcus. Alright, next pilot's up.
That was fun.
We have
Good sex here. What up, G? You got some special guests, don't you? Kelsey FPV in the place to be.
Wise words from the wizard.
attention me out. I'd like to thank you all for coming out, spending your time and your energy with us whooping around this restaurant. I'd like to thank all those patrons over there who think we're crazy on this side, racing little toy drones around the track. And thank you for being patient with us. I'd like to thank Gators for having us, allowing us to do this.
Yes.
So thank you guys so much for making this possible. Thank you guys at Cigar City for grinding it out and making this track possible. Thank you guys from the Flying Junkies for coming out and supporting and making this possible. And everyone that came out and flew with us, thank you once again. For third prize, we've got a cash envelope and some props.
There it goes.
Props. That's for third prize. And this guy here is his first race. If you're not aware of who Top Drones is, they're a shop over in Orlando that flips the script on the hobby game.
Yeah.
They want to teach you before you go buy the toy. They want to educate you on how to not break your toy. And they're very patient with people. So if you're looking to learn how to whoop, if you're in the Orlando area, I highly suggest you drive by and see Mr. Marc. I got third place on my first race. Don Pino.
Don Pino holding it down.
All right, go get your envelope.
That's the way it works when you win.
Hey, he never raced, so we gotta give a guy a break. Come on.
All right. And we got second place for Mr. I got a meow. Second place. Good.
Flag hook.
Thank you very much. And real Mario.
Oh yes.
There you go. Representing Atmo and the whoops.
Yeah. At most.
We'd like to thank these guys for spending time with us and grinding it out with us. Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
Sir, thank you for having us, hosting us, and we look forward 12 months from now doing it again.
Speech!
No 12 months. Woo! 3 months.
Alfonso, speech!
All right.
Sir?
Look, this is the inaugural race here at Gator's Dockside. I want to thank everybody for coming out and making it one heck of an event. But I tell you, I'm looking forward to the next one. It will be soon. So be ready.
Yeah.
If you don't like Cigar City, 863, The Flying Junkies.
Yeah.
On Facebook, hit us up, like us, share, be a part of our community, and let's keep whooping. Hey, who's down with FPV?
Me, yes, oh you know. Bear FPV in the place to be.
Good job, guys.
Thank you.
All right. Head to head here.
He's so confused. He's so confused.
Almost done with the first round.
Oh, it's like follow me this way. Yeah, I'm in the way to rocket.
That's because he got a bye on the first round, so he didn't even fly. He didn't even earn it.
Hey, well,
I love him. I'm just messing with Leo.
I learned it. That's right. Show him the shirt. Show him the boss. Your homie Frankie Huff is holding it down.
That's undefeated. He went through this whole tournament without a loss. Very impressive. Very impressive.
Good work, fellas. Good work. Good work, guys. Smashing it.
All right, stick around here for a minute. We're going to start.
Go fly cooks. So how does it feel? Who crashed into my camera?
I kept on wrecking.
Was that you?
Got that ass.
So you're the culprit, huh?
Yeah, that
so
was
sorry.
That
It's so lucky. Sorry. Frankie Hubbard's world famous flying junkies holding it down. Dave Cable, Tampa in the place. City. Smoke a stove. You know how it is. Tiny Wolf fan.
Ladies and gentlemen, due to tardiness, we will be disqualifying Chris Flyclux Bevan. All right.
Take it easy on Leo.
Yeah, take it easy. Love, baby. Here you go. Leo Landing is about to race for the second time. Winning brackets. About to race Chris Bevan. Good race. Good
Fly cooks.
You got this, Leo. You beat him, you can beat anybody.
Woo! Morpheus over here. Red pill, blue pill.
Yeah, Bevan's okay. It's going to be a fun race.
That's okay.
It's going to be fun.
Get money.
Rio and Flyclux up next.
I still got one.
We got Bogey and
Cloud burn in the place. What it do, cuz? What it do? Where it does?
The Flying Junkies.
Yes, sir.
Representing Alien Whoop. Representing all the whoopers out there. We're having a great time.
I'm having the best time.
Already know. Got the one and only Frank Hubbard's Flying Junkies. Yeah.
There it is.
So we're keeping it real. What you got there? Why don't you show us?
A little something. Little junkie whoop kits.
Junkie Whoop kits.
Yes,
that means camera mount, canopy, and props.
Yes,
all
sir.
3D printed by this man right there.
Yes, sir.
So make sure you look out for this.
Frankie Hubbard's world famous flying junkies here. I got 3 questions for Kelsey FPV. What size propeller do you prefer? 5, 6 inch, 4 inch, 3 inch? 5 inch? Okay. Prefers a 5 inch. Do you prefer a tri-blade or a quad? Or even a bi-blade? Tri-blade, okay. And how many milliamp hours are you pushing out? At least 1,500. You heard it here first. Big shout out to Papa Dukes in the back. Yo, Marc! What you rocking? You 6, 5, 3? 5. The 5-inch quad, all right. What kind of battery you running?
1,500.
Okay. And are you a Fat Shark guy or an Ishin guy? You heard it here first. Frankie Hubbard's world famous flying junkies. My peoples. Frankie Hubbard's world famous flying junkies, and we just got blessed with some stickers. Almondy Brown, holding it down. 100% natural ingredients, okay? Don't forget it. So you guys are a band?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. What kind of music you guys play?
It's like a funk rock, upbeat, jam.
I like that. So local here to Central Florida? Or?
Yeah, we're based out of Lakeland. We hit Orlando, St. Pete, Tampa, Lakeland, and now.
Got a bunch of peaks on that side. There it is, guys. Find them online, Almondy Brown, and it looks like you're flying today.
Yeah, I got eliminated in my 3rd race.
No, that's all right.
If I'm gonna get eliminated, I'm gonna get eliminated by Kelsey FPV.
Hey, that's the best way to get eliminated right there, right?
I can't complain.
Big shout out Kelsey FPV holding it down.
Whoa, hey!
Flying junkies holding it down. Frankie Hubbard's here. Is this Thor FPV holding it down? The mighty
I'm
Thor.
holding down nothing. Wait, I'm holding my money now.
Something's being held. That's all we know. Someone's being held hostage.
I'll get my hand out of my pocket.